Yeah. She gonna bring it right back. She gotta be like 4.5 months right now. Good girl. Sit. See that? We call her Phoenix because she got the bird on her chest right there. You see it? That's why we call her Phoenix. Hiya! She love going fetching. Good thing that I like about it though, she bring it right back. So I ain't even gotta go nowhere where she had to go just to go to stick again. She gonna bring it right back. And that's what I try to do with her, like every time I get off work like around 5, 6. That's what I do. Train her a little bit, play with her. She love it too. She already know the time. She already know the schedule at this point.